Kishinev has no metro network as of 2023. However, as the capital of Moldova and considering Kishinev's urban structure, the city could greatly benefit from an extensive metro network. The lines would connect the city's densely populated outskirts with the city center and its main shopping, transportation, and office areas.
Atenție, ușile se închid. Următoarea. Atenție, ușile se închid. Următoarea stație.
Unlike the tradition of many Eastern European metro networks, it is proposed that the interchange stations would have the same name to avoid confusion of passengers.
Осторожно, двери закрываются.
The designs of the stations, however, are proposed to be different and to reflect the amazing architectural mix of Kishinev. Please press like and subscribe to the channel if you would like to see more similar content.